ba?
Ha?
Nagulat ka rin ba?
Mas nagulat ako ngayon. No, but I'm very happy for them. I see, we're supposed to have dinner very soon. But syempre, she has wifey and hubby duties. So, yun muna sila.
Nakapunta ka na dun sa bagong bahay nila.
Naku guys, parang I'm not in the position to say anything. But, as soon as I'm allowed to say anything, I will let you know.
Pero nung dati ba, nung parang na-cancel, nalungkot ka nun? Or alam mo yung totoo?
You know, I only share whatever emotions that they have. So, kung anong meron silang emotion, dun tayo.
Pero hindi ka nagtampo kay Bea bilang ikaw ay pinaka-close sa kanya. Pero
Sa tagal namin magkaibigan, hindi uso sa matagal na magkakaibigan ng tampo-tampo.
so, nagulat ka rin.
Saan?
Kumbaga,
Kasi walo lang yung bisita eh. Walo lang yung bisita.
Bakit parang mas nagugulat pa ako sumasagot? Naku, alam mo, sa mga kaibigan ko, I'm always asked because I'm always out. But for anything, sabi ko nga kay Bey, in all that kasi, I'm just very fortunate to be the friend who's always around, being able to witness all the milestones in her life. So I wouldn't be a good friend if I answered any of those questions. So patawad, pasensya na. But if there's anything I wanted you to know is that my whole family really rejoice in the joys of my friends. And that goes not only for Bea, but for Angel, and for many of my friends. Hanggang ngayon, kaibigan ko pa. Imagine, ang tagal na natin sa industriyang to, but to be able to say we are still friends from when we were 16, 20s, until now that we are 40, is just a big blessing
So,
for us.
so sobrang na-happy ka, Dims, nung natuloy talaga sila. May
Oo.
forever na siya.
Alam mo ba, kapag dinaanan mo yung mga pinagdaanan ng mga kaibigan ko and you were able to see all the victories, all the heartbreaks, every time that they express their joy, I'm always so very happy. Kasi magkakasama naman kami sa hirap at ginhawa, di ba? So, pagka ganyan, my heart is very,
Tinawagan
very
mo
much
siya?